So let's try again. Let's do 4/8 times. Actually, let's do 4/12 times 2. Okay, 4/8 times 2. What would our final answer be? Okay, who wants to walk me through what they did? Raise your hand nice and high so I can see. What did you do to get this going? Naria, what did you do? What's our first step?
It's just 2 and 1.
So I have to change this 2 to a fraction, right? So what would this fraction look like that you just told me? What would the fraction look like? What's my numerator?
The numerator is 2.
Good job. And what is my denominator? A 1. Good job. And now I just multiply straight across. So if I multiply my numerators, Nuria, what is 4 times 2?
8.
Good job. And now I'm going to multiply my denominators. What is 12 times 1?
12.
Good job. Okay, to show it with the diagram first because it really shows you what we're actually doing. We're really doing addition over and over and over and over and over again. But let's take a look. If we had something maybe like this, right? This would be really annoying to draw as a diagram, right? Because how many times would I have to show 1/15? Casey?
12 times.
Would that take a really long time? Yeah, that would take a super long time having to draw out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, however many things I have to draw to make a 15th, and then doing that 12 times, that would take a super, super long time. But go ahead, let's see if you guys can solve 1/15 times 12 using our new method. What would our answer be? Dean, what do I have to change 12 to before I can even get started?
You have to turn 12 into a fraction, which is 12 over 1.
Good job. Which would be 12 over 1. Now what is my next step?
Multiply 1 times 12 for the numerator.
Which would be what?
Which would be 12.
Good job. And what do I do next?
You just multiply 13 by 1, which is going to be the exact same.
Good job. Adrian, do you think that was way easier than having to draw it out over and over and over and over and over and over and over again? 15 times, that would be, or 12 times, that would be a lot, right? So when we get these bigger numbers, this method's a lot simpler for us to do, okay? Any questions so far? Because you guys kind of got the basis of it. We're just going to keep practicing now. Let's try one where we have to take a double look at our final answer, okay? So let's do 3/4 times 4, okay? Please solve and thumbs up once you have. Raise your hand if you'd like to share. What do I have to change 4 to? Well, what do we have to change 4 to?
You have to change it to 4/1.
Good job. 4 over 1. Kyler, what's my next step?
Your next step is multiplying.
Okay, what should I multiply first? My numerators or my denominators?
The numerators?
Yeah, it really doesn't, it honestly doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't really matter because they're not really going with each other. So let's just start with the numerators. What would my answer be for my numerators? What's 3 times 4, Kyler?
12.
Good job. And then now can I look at my denominators?
Yes.
Okay, what is 4 times 1?
4 times 1 is 4.
Nice. So I get 12/4. Thumbs up, I'm good to go. Or thumbs down, Miss Wada, you're not done yet. You need to change your answer. I am seeing some thumbs down. Why, Bella, why are you raising your hand and, oh, telling me I am not done?
Because it's an improper fraction.
It is an improper fraction. We cannot have an improper fraction. So 12/4. I need to change this to either a mixed number or I just end up getting a whole number if there's no leftover fraction bits. Bella, do you know what I would get, or should we work it through together?
Would it be 3?
It would be 3. Nice job, right? Because if I have a whole, it's broken up into fourths. Let me do it this way. Broken up into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to shade in 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bella, is that 12/4?
Yeah.
How many holes do I have?
3.
Is there any leftover fraction?
No.
No. So yeah, we would get 3 holes. Nice job. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do 5/6 times 3. All right, raise your hand. You want to help me out with my first step I need to do? Raise your hand high so I can see it. Joelle, what is my first step?
You gotta change the 3.
Nice. What do I change my 3 to?
3, 1.
3/1, right? This would be 3 wholes as a fraction. Nice job, Joelle. Who can tell me my next step after that? My next step, Casey, is going to be what?
Multiply your numerator or denominator.
Nice. What do I get when I multiply my numerators?
So you're not I can't say the word.
Numerator.
Numerator would be
Good job.
15, and your denominator would be 6.
Nice. 15/6. Great job. And let's see here. Michael, am I done?
No,
Why not?
because it's still an improper fraction.
It is still an improper fraction. So I have 15/6. Please make this either a mixed number. Well, try and make it into a mixed number and see,
Okay.
do we fill up all of our holes or do we get a leftover fraction with it too? And thumbs up once you have what this mixed number would be. What would this mixed number, or how many holes, how much leftover fraction, what would my answer be? Aideen, what do you get?
Wait, I'll take down. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's 2 and 3/6.
2 and 3/6. Let's double check. Okay. So right here, I have a hole. Aideen, how many parts do I have to break my hole up into?
6.
Good job. Here is 6. And shade these in, right? And I get how many 6, Aideen?
To get 6.
Okay, is that enough, or do I need to make another hole?
You need to make another hole.
Yeah, 6/6 is definitely not enough for 15/6, so I need to make another hole. That was 6/6, so this would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that 15?
No.
Not yet. I need to make another hole. Okay, so I had 12 at my last one, so here's 13, 14, and 15. Aideen, how many holes did I fill up the entire thing?
2.
2 holes, okay? And what fraction is left over?
3.
3 what?
3/6.
Nice job. So that is where he got his 3/6. Amazing job. Okay, any final questions? Or thumbs up, you're feeling really good about this?